Happy Saturday, everybody. You know, we've only got about 9 weeks left in 2024, so I figured I'd start with things out with a look at severe weather so far this year, and especially the tornado reports. And you can see how many states have seen a tornado, and we've had over 1,700 of them this year, including 57 in Kentucky, 61 in Indiana, 81 in Ohio. Only 3 states are lucky enough to have not seen a twister: Nevada, Vermont, and Maine. Those are the 3 states that have escaped the twisters. Now, honing in on Kentucky for a little bit more detailed look at severe weather this year. 57 of those 57 tornadoes, 6 have been EF2 or stronger. We've had 585 reports of severe wind, with 545 wind damage reports. We've also seen a lot of hail. 72 hail reports, 5 of those being hail 2 inches or greater. That'll cause some pretty substantial damage. We've also seen, of the 57 tornadoes that we've seen this year, the most tornadoes since we saw 63 in 2018. So definitely a very active year in terms of severe weather. Thankfully, we're not looking at any severe weather anytime soon. That is certainly good news. What we are looking at, though, are stubborn clouds today, slowly clearing skies, and maybe a couple of showers along and south of the parkways throughout the day today. But as we go through the day, skies should slowly clear out. Notice by the lunch hour here, a couple leftover sprinkles along and south of the parkway, but that clearing line quickly making its way through as we go through the afternoon and into the evening. So most of us should see plenty of sunshine by the time we get to this evening. Clearing out tonight before a little bit more cloud cover rolls in here by tomorrow morning, but that's about all we have to worry about on Sunday. Another cool fall day with temperatures in the 60s by the lunch hour on Sunday. So a couple of showers early this morning, otherwise gradual clearing, highs in the upper 60s today. I really don't think you'll have any problems if you are traveling to see Murray State try to win another game this year, taking on a very good North Dakota State team. Skies should clear out with that 2 o'clock kickoff. Should be a good day to catch some college football. 40s tonight under mainly clear skies, and then you look at the extended forecast. We're going to warm right back up early next week. Winds will turn out of the south and really become gusty before a strong cold front gets in here on Halloween with much needed rainfall.